To deny Instagram from using your photos application on your iPhone, first you will need to go to your settings on your iPhone. And after going to settings, we need to scroll down and we need to find Instagram. So let's find Instagram. So here we go. As you can see, we have found Instagram. Tap this arrow button, and from here, as you can see, this is the photos application. Right now we have full access. So in order to deny access, tap here, and as you can see right now I have full access. So to deny access, just press the none, and that's how you deny the access. You deny Instagram from accessing your photos application on your iPhone. Thanks for watching.